bit of riding to the train. Just a short ride. So now we're at the train station in Taree. I don't know where the Taree logo is, but basically what I've got to do if I want to take the train, I've got to unpack everything, put it in there, make sure it's not too heavy, 20 kilos max. So I'll see what I can fit in with while I'm still able to reach 20 kilos. I'll try and keep as much stuff as I can inside the box. Probably I'm gonna have to carry one of these packs, but the blue bag is definitely staying on me. Shouldn't be too long. The bike and all the other stuff on it was a bit heavier than I thought it'd be, so I ended up having to carry pretty much everything back. So I'm gonna tidy this up. I'm gonna attach the sleeping bag and the tent to the bags, so that I can carry everything a bit more easily. Yeah, it should be fine. Still waiting for the train. It's gonna be here in about 40 minutes. And how nice, they provided a place to charge your phone. I'm probably gonna start charging later on at about 12:10, because it's still got battery. It's about 63%. So, but I'm just gonna charge it a little bit more before I leave. And the mosquito bites are just taking its effect on me. Like, I've been scratching non-stop. Like, it's really, really bad. There's even more on my legs as well. I don't know if you can see exactly where it is, but yeah, that's just bad. But oh well, I mean, looking back now, I'm actually pretty alright. I had fun. Would have planned it a little bit better, but still having a good trip. I asked the guy if I could just leave the bike there. He said yeah, so that's good. I don't have to lug the bike back to the place. It's not too far. It's gonna be it would have been about 15-minute ride, but I mean, it's the whole process of assembling and disassembling the bike again. So I asked and I received. Yeah, they were really nice. So now we're in Coffs Harbour. It's a beautiful town as well. I've been here before. I think we went to the beaches previously. I'm not sure if I can recognize any of the things here, because that was pretty long ago and it was just for a bit and it was just once. It's good if it feels to climb up. Even walking, my stuff's just so heavy. even see me. Now I'm looking into the Airbnb. It's not too far. It's a little bit far. That's the problem with the time that I've scheduled here. The sun goes down way too fast. It's like 5 p.m. and it's already dark. That just kind of sucks. And it's just so different riding at night compared to riding in the daytime. In general, just moving around is so much easier in the daytime. At night, the perceived distance is always a lot further, so that's an issue. Again, it's going to be an issue tomorrow because the route that I'm planning tomorrow, the train will only be here at about 3:50, which will take about 30 minutes or so, or a bit more, to get to my start point, which will be Grafton. And then, so that's an issue right there, because from Grafton, I haven't really got any ride back. I mean, from Grafton, I'll be starting late. That's what I'm trying to say. So yeah, that kind of sucks a little bit. And I'm just walking through this dark alley. It's like, there's no light, no nothing. But it's not too scary. I've walked through Newcastle before.